Team Mac gang, it is Tasha here. So I just started this challenge. It is the 2xSPICY versus the Blazing. This is from Buffalo Wild Wings. This is the Blazing, and then I got a regular, but then I also have some honey barbecue and some salt and vinegar and lemon pepper mix. So here's how it goes. Because I do have to, oh, this is the 2xSPICY. I put the sauce on it already. My daughter wanted to take some, so this challenge is 8. Let me move this. Now we know it's the 2xSPICY sauce. This challenge is you got 8 wings from wherever you want to get it from. Wingdings, not whole wings. You have a cooling agent. So I chose cheesy noodles. You are allowed to have a cooling agent. I chose cheesy noodles. But you have to eat all 8 wings. And you have 1 minute of time between eating these wings and your cooling agents. So, with that being said, we'll go ahead and say grace and get it in. So again, we got to eat all 8 wings. Wait 1 minute before we could partake in our cooling agents. So I'm gonna start with the Blazing because that's the hottest, I think. Oh, and you also have to rate which one you thought was hotter, the Blazing or the 2xSPICY chicken. I haven't had Blazing in a minute. So my heat sensor is on 30,000. Off the first wing. This is gonna be a hard 1 minute, y'all. Try not to lick my lips because when I do that, it's making it hot, but I can't help it. Blazing is gone. Mm. Mm. Yeah, my nose running. I gotta like that. Mm. The 2xSPICY is hot, but it's sweet. So, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're one of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. Mm. Seven-minute mark and 7 seconds. Got 1 minute. Spicy's gone. Excuse me. Y'all, my mouth is on fire. Well, I have my towel rolled up under it so you guys can see it in my thumbnail. Mm-mm-mm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yike! First, honey barbecue wing. Mm-hmm. FYI, blazing, to me, is hotter. Definitely hotter. This is my salt and pepper, and my lemon pepper and vinegar mix. I can definitely appreciate the spice on 2xSPICY now. After having that blazing. That was intense. But the blazing is really good. Like, really good. Low key. If you try the I'll move this over. Spicy garlic mixed with the lemon pepper and salt and vinegar mix. That is so good. I did it on one of my past videos a long time ago. And I don't think no one ever replied and let me know if they liked it or not. I know it don't seem like a combination that you might like, but how it came to be is I had the spicy garlic, and I had the salt and vinegar mix. I like the salt and vinegar mix. I love the spicy garlic, so I said, let me put them together. It might have been my mistake, though. Like, it might have fell in there. I don't know. All right. I have cheesy noodles here. They still hot, y'all. I used American cheese, the Kraft cheese. It's supposed to be a cooling agent, but right now it's hot, as in temperature, and my mouth hot, as in spice. I didn't even put none of my seasonings that I usually put in it because I know I was eating a blazing. The blazing wings. And I needed this to be something to cool me off. It's definitely doing its job. Oh my goodness. I've not seen anyone do this challenge, so I am officially holding the creators challenge of this one. I tried to make sure the challenge was easy. Nothing too complicated. I'm loving my ring light, y'all. I really am. Okay. I am finito. I am done. This was definitely a short video. I know. I'm bad. I'm looking for more chicken to eat. Excuse me. Definitely a good challenge. So, if you didn't get the rules in the beginning, rule is you get 8 wings. 8 wingdings. One has to be the blazing for Buffalo Wild Wings. The other one, 2xSPICY sauce. Drizzle it, drizzle it. Eat them. You eat all 8 wings. You have 1 minute of burn time. Burn time is basically you have to wait 1 minute before you can either drink or eat a cooling agent. Cooling agent is something that will cool your mouth from the spice of the 2xSPICY and the blazing. Other than that, those are the rules. I'm gonna throw some challenge. I'm gonna throw some people out there who I want to challenge. I want to challenge B Loves. I want to challenge Beast Mode. I want to challenge Dame Dash. Okay, wait. I want to challenge Flavors by Dame. I want to challenge. I can't even challenge Tosh Poifro because I know she don't do good with spicy. I want to challenge Tosh and Steph. I want to challenge. Who else would I want to challenge? I think that's it. Yeah. So I need you guys to get out there and let them know that they have been challenged by the T-Mac crew. So with that being said, let the challenge begin. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everyone and anyone. I appreciate your support. Again, thank you for watching my channel and coming to my video. Bye.